Welcome. Malo, me and my Prime Minister Bill English. I'll hand over the mic and share some wisdom. Thanks with us, Malo.
Malo Lele, it's a real pleasure to be here with my backing group from Manurewa, and I'm looking forward to watching them perform. And with the Minister of Pacific Peoples, Alfred, and also my wife Mary is here as well somewhere. Here she is. She's not Tongan, but she's as good, she's Samoan. Can I just acknowledge the loss of life at the bus crash in Gisborne of the visiting Tongan group earlier in the year, and thank our Minister Alfred for all the work that he did alongside the community to support those families. And can I also acknowledge the passing of the Queen Mother. I had the opportunity a number of years ago to attend the funeral of the previous king. It was an awe-inspiring occasion, I must say. My first and most intensive visit to Tonga. On my way in, I was stopped at one of the stands, and Ma'o, who does carving, presented me with this fishing hook and told me that it symbolises the effort we should put into keeping people together. The relationship between New Zealand and Tonga, of course, which is a long and deep one, but also keeping our families together. And I just want to thank all of you and your community for your values of faith and family, for the way that you are loyal to each other and support each other, because New Zealand can only be as good as its families and communities. And many of our people in New Zealand don't have that strength in behind them that the Tongan community has. And we know it's so important, particularly to our young people. Every one of your young people matters to us and to New Zealand. We want to make sure that they can continue in that fine tradition of education that comes with the Tongan community, that there are the jobs and the opportunities for them that mean that in New Zealand they can get ahead, see their incomes lifting in their households with decent housing, and that they can feel free and confident and proud of their Tongan culture. Because your children and ours, mine and Mary's, share the blood of the Pacific, and it's the way New Zealand is changing. And I can say, as a sixth generation Palangi farmer from near Invercargill, that I think that that's terrific. I come from a completely different background, but it's wonderful to see how in this biggest Polynesian city in the world, as the Mayor of Auckland tells us, New Zealand's identity is evolving, and people can see opportunity and want to be here so they can do well. And thanks for the opportunity to talk to you today, and I look forward to seeing the performance from our beautiful people here behind us.